Before heading to VMware, let's first download the official Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft. Just go to Google and search for Download Windows 11 and enter the link from Microsoft. From the list below, select Windows 11, then Confirm. Select your language and click 64-bit download. Open up VMware and create a new virtual machine. Select Custom, then Installer Disk Image file and select your Windows 11 ISO image. Click Generate, then 1 under number of processors and set amount of RAM. Click inside the VM and press a key to load Windows 11 installation. Select your language, then Agree. Select your Windows version, then Next and Install. Update later. To bypass Microsoft account sign-in, follow our tutorial.